ATTK at the next Asam, guys. We need to be prepared for another heartbreak. I feel everything is fine between AKTK, but they are not showing it on social media because same would happen like Sanket, Ashna, Aggie. TK, don't show AK in vlogs, bro. But why? You guys are not talking. She was sitting right behind. We want you guys back. These AKTKs. These were a few comments under Tanzil's recent YouTube videos. What exactly happened between them? आशिया एंड तंजील दोनों ही पॉपुलर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स में से एक है और दोनों ही डैम फैम के पार्ट भी है. They used to make reels together, YouTube videos together, and fans started loving them as a couple and shipping them as AKTK. तंजील ने आशी के लिए एक सॉन्ग भी लिखा था जिसका नाम है दिल्ली की लड़की, which got super viral and popular. They both were super active on each other's Instagram and YouTube. वो एक दूसरे के पोस्ट के नीचे कमेंट करते थे, लाइक करते थे, बर्थडेज के वक्त पोस्ट करते थे. बट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इट हैज चेंज्ड. रिसेंटली संकेत की सिस्टर की वेडिंग थी इन अमृतसर जहां आशी और तंजील दोनों को ही इनवाइट किया गया था. बोथ वर प्रेजेंट बट डिड नॉट इंटरैक्ट इवन वंस. तंजील ने यूट्यूब पर व्लॉग्स भी डाले पर एक बार भी उसने आशी के साथ उनमें बात नहीं की या इंटरैक्ट नहीं किया. आशी ने शादी के बाद कुछ पोस्ट पे डाले जिसमें उसने सब मेंबर्स के साथ फोटोज अपलोड किए एक्सेप्ट टी की. There were many comments regarding this under that post, and this is so shocking as they were once inseparable. Entire time they were at the same place, yet they were spotted together only once and not featured in each other's social media stories, snaps at all. Or I believe this serves as a reality check for all of us who cherish them. It seems they have lost another ship, and the ATTK fandom needs to come to terms with that. They haven't posted a single clip together. Just imagine they are in the same place, same room, but ain't talking. There was a time when they literally can't live without each other. Fans were disheartened and so was I. But everyone had hopes कि आशी तंजील को 21st December यानी उसके बर्थडे के दिन जरूर विश करेगी. But she did not even put a story wishing him. This was so shocking for all the fans क्योंकि ये टाइम था जब आशी और तंजील एक दूसरे के लिए पोस्ट डालते थे विशिंग देम एंड आशी के बर्थडे के वक्त तंजील ने एक सॉन्ग भी अपलोड किया था. बट हाउ द टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड. What do you think has exactly happened between them? Do you think both of them were dating? If so, have they broken up? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.